how to use Deepseek for summarizing text. To use Deepseek for summarizing text, you could either use a Deepseek chat interface, and you could also use the integrate the Deepseek API into an application as well. So if you're using the mobile version of it, you can install app onto your device, create your account, and after which you could just go ahead and upload the text that you wish to summarize. If you have it in a document format, you click on the plus button, select document, and add in or upload in the text. Now, what I'm gonna do is next, I'm gonna simply type in the prompt, that is, summarize this in a particular word and all that stuff. You wanna type in that, and this way you'll have successfully used Deepseek for summarizing text. So next, you also need to provide a prompt. Make sure to clearly instruct the AI to summarize the text. You need to be specific about the desired length or a format if you want, and you could also generate and review the text as well. And this way you could use Deepseek for summarizing text for beginners. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.